And so then the flip side of what my experience has been right on the tail end, because I don't understand well enough what's going on. I got to do it like this. 2 and 9 makes 11. It's 11 o'clock in the morning. We have a visitor. Glad to see you. Not trying to put her on blast, and I don't think it matters anyway. But what's great about this is, more so, or whatever equivalent, is the fact that, first off, that's my arrow. Like, I make that arrow on for my pictures. But she showed up in the comforter, which is cool. I don't really know what to do with everybody showing up. Something's happened, I guess, as of last night, or I don't know. I don't know what the hell is going on, but clearly the spirit realm is opening up. Jonathan. Looks like Jonathan a little bit. I don't know who it's Whitney. My drawing, too. Thank you, Miss Whitney Houston, first and foremost. Eyes in the back of their head. They're really coming through. So I slept in this. Wait a minute now. Hold on. What's going on? Somebody has her head. What's behind the bubble wrap? Something's behind the bubble wrap. So they're about to be real in this bitch, and I'm not ready. And so I guess that's like why I'm gonna suffer punishment stuff and everything. But like, really, why? But here's the best part. I was cleaning up this bathroom. The toilet wouldn't work because it got clogged by somebody yesterday. But then, look what we have here. You're on camera. You're okay. I think I have to do it like this because nobody would believe me. I don't know what it is. At first I thought it was tiara, but it's taken on the form of a bird. Oh, that is Tiara's head. Is that Tiara's head on a pillow? Something's going on. Look at that. It looks like that's a gremlin under there. Why are they looking mad? Just from the towels being on the floor. And this, so over here we got a nose. And what, a booty hole? It's supposed to be a booty hole. I don't see anything in there. I'm gonna take this, but anyway, keeping our eyes on this guy. She closes her eyes with the camera, but their eyes are open when I look at them. Now, how the hell do they do that? Like, I'm looking at them, but I can see here on the camera there. Get from another angle. I don't understand. But it's like, who wouldn't take a video, like, to understand better? So then look at this face right here. Clearly, the spirit realm. So I fucked up. I didn't know this shit was real. God damn it. Oh, it's an alien. How? Oh, wait. I'm sorry. Is that what happens? The energy? Is this hurting you? I don't want to hurt you. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm going to stop.